Labor Day long weekend in BC, August 4th. First time out in our canoe. It's green canvas cedar stripped. Bought it for $200, maybe $250, can't quite remember. Has some rot on the gunwale here, but everything else seems pretty good. Like, just look at it, shiny and everything, and pretty nice. So yeah, considering they go for $1,500 to $2,500, and even garbage junky ones go for so much money. Well, Jen had a bite. Lost it coming in though. So yeah, we're on Swan Lake. And the boat launch we came on is just somewhere over there. Oh, she's got action. Okay, I got the net here. Let's see what we get.
I don't think it's on again. You're wrong. No, it's still. That's what we did last time.
Worms off a bit. We have paddled ourselves across the lake from the boat ramp to the north side of Swan Lake. Had a few bites on the way. Jen caught a little one of them. I can't remember what they're called. We caught one here ice fishing. So that last fish Jen caught was a pumpkin seed, and this is a perch, and she caught another perch. It was pretty small though. And we saw, must have been at least a 5-pounder jumping a couple times. There's big fish in that lake. Alright, I'm home now. Couldn't give you much of a video because I don't have a GoPro. Scared of dropping my camera in the lake. Had it in a double zip lock the whole time. Just pulled it out a few times. I do have a little mini gorilla type tripod or whatever they're called, and they wrap around. You can grip them to things. But I don't have the GoPro anymore. They were old and broke. My brother had a GoPro 9, but his pawn shop he's had for 30 years burnt down. So this is the rot I was telling you about. So I'm not paying money to put a whole new canvas over this. I'm gonna somehow, it's good inside, I'm gonna glue it, I guess, or tack it, I don't know, and put a solid seal over it. I'll put a new gunwale on. Everything else is good. It's kind of okay up here. Well, no, there's some rot in there. This side's good. But, in there, a little rotten. Wonder if I could just patch this, because like I say, I'm just Mickey Mousing it anyway. But the inside's great. Like, look at it. I paid $200 for this thing. Maybe $250, can't remember. I put these on today. just help stabilize it a little when it's on the roof of the vehicle. You can tie it down to the front and down to the back. I'll put one on each side. So this side's good. I'll flip it and show you the bottom. That metal or whatever it is, it's all solid. The back, it's coming up on the bottom a little bit. The screw's probably rotted and won't stay in anymore. Everything's good, just up to the halfway mark. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'll put an extra large gunwale piece in there, you know, that comes down, and glue it and screw it on. Once that'll have a wider gunwale, maybe. I don't know anything about anything, and I'm not good at stuff. So I'm gonna just do it the easiest way I can think of, and without having to replace the canvas. So here's where that's sticking. Like, you know, like, that's all in good shape, eh? Well, what do we have here? You know, nothing. We're okay, you know. Everything's... And it used to be red. And they were a little sloppy with the painting, because paint was slopped on the bottom side of the gunwale there, on both sides. I don't know, guys. That's a pretty darn good deal, I think. I'd like a solid cedar one without that, you know, that it doesn't have the canvas siding. A nice cedar one, that's what I would like.